Today I'm going to show you how to make an activator using Ariel powder and Surf Excel powder. So let's get started with a live demonstration of slime. Okay, so let's get started. First let's make activator using with Ariel. So I'm just taking half spoon of Ariel. Let's put it in this small bowl. Now to this, let's add some salt. Now mix it. Now let's add some little water. It is a normal plain water. Now mix it. I had added 4 spoons of water. We have to mix it until the detergent and the salt dissolves. Once the Ariel and the salt has dissolved, the activator is ready. Now our Ariel activator is ready. Let's keep it aside. So now let's make the another activator, that is Surf Excel activator. I'm just taking one packet. I can just stir it. Now let's put it. So I have taken this much of detergent powder, that is Surf Excel detergent powder. So to this let's add some salt. So this much is over, I think. Now let's mix it. See, can you see the part of blue and green and pink? The smell is so good. Once you mix it well, let's add some water. I'm taking just the pure water which I have said in the first. 4 spoons and cool. After dissolving, our Surf Excel activator is ready. And our Ariel activator too. So this is our Ariel activator and this is our Surf Excel activator. So let's check the slime with these activators. So let's check it. So to make this slime, I'm going to try it with Dom's orange perfume gum. So let's check it. You can take whatever gum you are having, like Fevicol, Fevigum, clear glue, like that. I'm using orange perfume gum. Okay, so now let's add it. much of amount. So with this, let's add some water. This smell is so awesome. I like it. Now mix it. Wow, I think it will come a little bit clear. So once you mix well, let's add the Ariel Activator. I'm adding this much. Let's check. Now let's add a little more. Add some more. Now mix it. Wow, it is coming. I think I had to add a little bit more. Wow, it is coming. Can you see that? You have to mix, mix, mix. If you will not add glue, it will not come. Let's add some more activator. Wow, it is coming. Wow, it is coming. This is like a barrel of slime. Yeah, our Ariel slime activator works good. It works well. So let's keep it aside and let's make the another slime using Surf Excel activator. So I'm taking another brown and just adding the flame glue. I'm just taking this amount of glue. And to this, let's add some water. 2 spoons. Make 1 spoon, baby. Now mix it. Now we have to mix it. So with this, let's add some Surf Excel activator. Yeah, you have to mix it when you are going to pour it because there will be foam lumps. Now let's put it. Now let's mix it. What is this? It is not coming like a barrel of slime or a normal slime. I don't know what to do. Wow, after mixing well, it is coming. Wow, I can't believe it. For this, we have to mix so fast. Wow, it is coming. Smells so good. Wow. It is coming. Let's add some more activator. and it is not coming like a slime, don't try it in your home. But the Ariel slime is much better, I say. What about you? See, the Ariel slime is better. See? Yeah, I think you can play with the hand. Wow, this is working. I love this. Wow. It is coming like a barrel of slime, not like an ordinary slime. Slime. Using the Ariel, the slime is coming even better, but using the surf excel, it is not coming. See? But see this. This is the Ariel. But already I had tried one in the surf excel. In that we had add the baking soda and the baking powder, yeah? We had just mixed that. But in the Ariel, they had already put that. So it is coming like a slime. So for the Ariel Activator, I will give you a big thumbs up. But for the surf excel, I will give a big yeah. I don't have it, but I had already made that. That comes good, yeah, because I have added baking soda. So I hope you liked it.